memes. These memes are spreading around the world, and they are wiping out whole cultures. They are wiping out languages. They are wiping out traditions and practices. And it's not our fault. Memes. I'm responsible for what I say about memes. Memes are like viruses. That's what Richard said. What's a meme made of? And that's what a meme is an information packet with attitude. What's a meme made of? What are bits made of, Mom? Do memes exist? I say, well, do words exist? Words are memes that can be pronounced. Then there's all the other memes that can't be pronounced. They're different species of memes. A meme can flourish in spite of having a negative impact. We're the vectors of memes that are correctly viewed by the hosts of many other memes as a dire threat to their favorite memes, the memes that they are prepared to die for. Well, now, how are we going to tell the good memes from the bad memes?